Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram DM not refreshing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now find Instagram and then tap and hold on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Go to storage option and clear cache your Instagram storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now go back to home screen. Open Play Store. Now tap on search app. Search Instagram and update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After following all steps, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means Instagram server is down right now.